If you're selling a product or a service to a consumer, business to consumer, then we have to tie the value of your product or service to one of three things. The first one, how can your product or service help the client, let's say, physically? In other words, what is the physical benefit of using your product or service? Number two, what is the financial benefit of using your product or service? Or number three, how can it help them psychologically? Okay? In other words, how can your product or service help the customer with any of these three aspects of being better off? For example, let's say you're selling some type of supplement. It could help the customer physically. So physically, they're going to feel better. One could also argue because they feel better physically that they'll be able to basically think better and feel better psychologically as well. Because they feel better physically and psychologically, maybe that'll increase their performance. Because their performance goes up, that may increase their financial situation. And if you increase your financial situation, that might help you basically feel better about yourself. So physically, you're better. Again, this is a virtuous cycle when it comes to offering value. So if you're selling to a consumer, ask yourself the following question. How can my product help them physically, financially, or psychologically, or all the above? If you can tie your product's features or benefits to any one of these three or all the above, then you can sell more effectively your value proposition.